Talk about Gucci. I got a pair of Gucci shoes. They're comfy.
You're comfy.
That was.
I mean,
People lie when their voice goes up.
nah.
That was a lie.
Yo, what's like?
He's trying to justify the price he spent for them.
How much did you pay for them?
Yeah.
What was it?
How
I
much
think
did you pay for
s-
yours?
It was like they were like six.
I'm talking to two people with a lot of money.
$6.
630.
Which sneakers? Were they the one?
They're the
white-
newer
Yo.
ones, bro. On the back, it's got one's got like the red,
Well, then
and the other one's
I
got
ripped off
the
for
green,
fake ones probably, but I got them from Holt. So
red and blue actually.
I have so many questions right now that just came into my head. Like 40, 45 probably questions.
Yeah, no, designer sneakers are garbage though. I agree with you though. They're
depending on what they are.
really depends on what they are. Like Versace, I think with the Salems were probably like, the best.
Hold on,
ones.
okay. Speak of this, okay, whatever. I got the Gucci's, okay.
Yeah.
I have Louis, very comfortable.
Uh-huh.
Balenciagas, probably the second most comfortable shoe I've ever had. Honestly, the soles are big. They're very comfy,
Unrelatable conversation I've ever heard.
but nothing beats my original Yeezys.
The original Yeezys were good.
Those you walk on clouds.
Yeah.
Really?
They're so
I like my
comfortable.
Nike Roches.